Hey man, y'all should know I'm gonna drop the hair videos. I seen some of y'all unsubscribing to my channel, like, cause I'm dropping workout videos. This how my channel started, hair videos. I know that. This a never ending thing. I'ma always drop hair videos. So y'all come back. I saw you unsubscribe. Come back. Come on. Bring that ass back here. Cause I got some hair updates to do. I got it in double twists right now. It's looking hella crazy. So what I'm about to do, I'm gonna show y'all how I wash my hair, what I use, the steps I use, everything. I'm gonna break it down. Y'all ready, man? Let's get it. Alright, y'all. So they say the best thing to do is let your hair air dry. Me, I never have time for that. So I use a shirt. Don't use your towel because it's gonna cause too much freeziness. Use a shirt, like use anything cotton. So what I do is I'm gonna flip my hair back and then like put it all in one. But you saw I left the conditioner in, so I don't wash the conditioner out. Let me know if you think that's bad, but that's what I do, and it's been working for me. But y'all can always, you know, comment below. I read all the comments. So I put it up in like a bun. See it? Kind of like damp it. Look at that. Y'all saw it before. It was all dusty. Now you can see how clean it is. It feels healthy. It smells healthy. It just looks healthy. Okay, so now y'all know all the steps I took. Y'all seen everything I did to wash my dreads. They've been growing. Like I said, they look crazy right now because I'm trying my best to leave this hairstyle in. Once I take the hairstyle out and I braid it, it's gonna get real. Cause I'm going on a trip soon. So yeah. Once I take these out of this double twist and I braid it, y'all gonna see the difference. You feel me? By the way, I'm gonna do that video. I'm gonna have I'm gonna record myself taking these out. It's gonna be a fucking mess, but once they're all out, you're gonna see they're all in double twists right now. So once they're all out, you're gonna see the difference. I'm gonna try to leave them in, but this is the longest I ever try to leave my hair in. They say it make your hair grow, so I'm gonna try to do this often. I'm gonna try to leave it in for a month. So by the end of the month, once I take them out, y'all gonna see. And then I'm gonna also do a video when I braid them. So y'all need to stop unsubscribing, hit that bell, be notified, stop tripping. Y'all know your boy Twhy back, man. Y'all stop playing with me, man. What y'all think this is?
Go ahead, boy.
Yeah, my son's birthday coming up. It's gonna be a whole lot of gang shit going on. We're gonna vlog everything. We back litty, man. Man, y'all subscribe, man. Y'all stop playing with me, man. Damn, we back. All right, we back.